Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is more of a compilation of clips from 4 different countries, and luckily you've got my voice to keep you company. First up, I went to Romania, and originally I was going there solo, but I actually ended up meeting my good friend Abdi, who I ended up spending the next couple of weeks with, and then luckily I even got to meet his good friend, Claudio, who took us around in his car. So he took us on a little road trip, and we went to Brasov, which, this view speaks for itself, but the little fun fact is that they actually have a little sign on the hill, which is just like the Hollywood sign that says Brasov, which is very cute, I reckon. From there we ended up going to check out the snow. I thought it was a good time. I don't really get this opportunity to test out my throwing abilities of snowballs. Let's say actions speak louder than words. Yikes. So after this we actually got to go into the town of Brasov, and this alley is meant to be the longest, narrowest alley or something like that. Has some title. So yeah, it's pretty cool to check out if you're in Brasov. Next up is when I was staying with my family in Hungary. There's Laszlo, Lati, Daisy, and Laszlo's an amazing cook, making those stuffed cabbages. Alpa's a cutie. And here's Kishaira, which just means little Ira. So my time with my family, a lot of it consisted with just them saying, yep, we're going here, and then I would just be like, okay. But today it was actually really cool because we got to go and visit Ópláyi, which is the hometown of my grandpa, which was really nice. And Ira came along, which was really cute as well. Nice little addition. After that we actually went to this castle, which was pretty cool as well. Alpa can't forget to keep the fitness up. From there we actually went to a Slovakian city, which I was told used to be actually a part of Hungary, so it has a little bit of Hungarian history there, but yeah, we went there for a road trip. It was actually pretty cool. It was at this point my trip where I had to leave Hungary, which was really sad, and get a very loving goodbye from everyone. But here's a good chance if you want to hear what Hungarian sounds like.
Enjoy the journey, érezd magad jól, és vigyázz magadra nagyon, és érezd jól magad. Ja, és várunk vissza.
Checking out with the reporter. It's time. It's time. Haven't been doing much recently, but it's time. Finally, we're going for a swim. Rain shorts. Oh shit! What an entrance! What an entrance!
Shebang!
Say hi.
Hello, hello fans. Greetings. Greetings from
Where are we? Where are we? Sorry, he's got crippling depression.
Camera shy.
What? Nah, that's good. Oh, it's so worth it. Dive in. She sent it. Thanks for watching, especially if you made it this far. I mean, I'm hoping next week I'll have a bit more of an idea of what's happening with my upcoming plans, and I hope to make another video on that. But otherwise, here's just some nice and painful skating clips to watch. See you next time.